Good day everyone. So, yes, eto na ulit mga ka-Health Real Talk. Ang topic natin, Forever Young, Cosmetic Surgeries and the Price of Staying Beautiful. Magandang araw mga ka-Health Real Talk. Ako po si Arlene and today pag-uusapan natin ang isang matinding tanong ng makabagong panahon. Hanggang saan ang kaya mong gawin para lang magbukhang bata ka? Botox, nose lift, lip filler, facelift, tummy tuck, thread lift, chin enhancement, breast augmentation, eye bag removal, cheekbone contour, you name it. Gusto natin ng anti-aging pero minsan ang ending anti-recognition, as in hindi mo na makilala ang sarili mo. Reality check tayo. What is cosmetic surgery for? Cosmetic surgery is a medical art form designed to restore, enhance, or rejuvenate. Nothing wrong with that. Pero ang tanong, are we doing it for self-love? O dahil sa pressure ng social media at ng fear of aging? And what's the limit? Nag-umpisa sa konting botox, sinundan ng nose bridge, tapos napadalas ang retoke hanggang dumating sa puntong ikaw na lang ang hindi nakakapansin na iba na ang itsura mo. Well, hanggang kailan? Hanggang sa di ka na makilala kahit ng passport mo. Risk you should know: skin thinning and permanent nerve damage, infection or allergic reactions, body dysmorphia o yung tinatawag nating parang di ka na natutuwa kahit may pagbabago. Psychological effects will be the mirror becomes your war zone. Kasi kada punta mo at mananalamin ka, parang merong mali pa sa mukha mo at pagagawa mo ulit. Gusto mong magpa-enhance? Walang masama. But ask yourself, is it still me I'm trying to improve or someone I wish I looked like? Ang tunay na youthful glow galing sa healthy lifestyle, enough sleep, hydration, stress management, and most of all, acceptance. Because no matter how smooth your skin is, kung mapait ang puso mo, lalabas at lalabas pa rin yan. Mga ka-Health Real Talk, kung plano mong mag-undergo ng any cosmetic procedure, do your research. Look for certified surgeons. Huwag magpabudol sa promo packages online. And always check in with yourself. Ginagawa ko ba ito para sa akin o para lang sa validation ng iba? Again, this is Arlene reminding you, youth fades, filters glitch, but self-worth, timeless yan. Ang tunay na ganda ay yung kahit wala ng retoke, makikita mo pa rin kung sino ka. Good day everyone.